Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. NIO stock surged 11.6% on Tuesday. After a brief pullback, the stock surged again, and the current price has deviated significantly upward from the 5-day moving average. The stock's trading volume increased significantly again on Tuesday. There is no doubt that a lot of capital exited the market on that day, but this does not mean that the stock price will fall immediately, because capital cannot be exhausted in one day, but the stock may not have much room to continue to rise, and it may be risky to enter the market to go long on the stock at this time. The data shows that the stock had a net inflow of $15.8 million on September 19th, and the capital flow from September 20th to 23rd was net outflow, with a net outflow of $21.8 million on September 23rd, but the stock had a net inflow of $9.5 million on September 24th. However, we compare the trading volume on September 24th with that on September 19th, and the results show that the proportion of capital outflow on September 24th increased significantly, which is considered a negative signal. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock price fell sharply during the trading session on September 18th with a large trading volume. But then the stock price began to rebound at $4.97, proving that there was long capital entering the market to maintain the stock price. The stock price tried to fall to $4.97 again in the morning trading session on September 23rd, but was strongly pulled back by the bulls again, indicating that the bulls did not want the stock price to fall further. But we also saw that some capital did flow out of the market in the $4.98 to $5.54 range. The stock price fluctuated at a high level in the morning trading session on September 24th and generated a large trading volume. There is no doubt that due to the sharp rise in the stock price again, a large amount of capital cashed out at a high level, but this did not lead to a fall in the stock price. The market still maintained the upward trend of the stock price, but the signal of a large number of sell-offs in the intraday orders was also very obvious, and the capital flow data of the stock seemed to prove this. In fact, the current position profit rate of the stock is as high as 99%, and most of the positions are concentrated in the range of $4.98 to $5.54. As the stock price has been consolidating in this area for about 2 weeks, the positions below $4.98 have moved up significantly, which means that the long capital that pushed the stock price up in the previous wave may have withdrawn from the market, but there seems to be a large amount of long capital flowing into the stock above $4.98, so it is not easy for the shorts to drag the stock price down. After the close of the stock on September 24th, some positions were generated again at the level of $5.78. The optimistic thing is that the position of these positions is at a relatively low level of the stock price on that day, so this price is also an important reference position. If the stock price falls below this position, then the stock price may fill the gap left by the gap-up rise in the stock price, but this is almost half of the stock's gains on Tuesday, so the longs may not give the shorts a chance. I think the stock price will eventually return to the $4.98 to $5.54 area for consolidation. But this prediction is unlikely to become a reality immediately because the long capital that drives the stock price up is unlikely to be exhausted in one trading day. So the stock price may still continue to rise or consolidate at the $5.78 level. But even if the stock price continues to rise, I think it may not break through the $6.20 level, so it may be risky to go long on the stock at this time. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for NIO stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.